Are you ready for the future of driving? Honda has just unveiled two jaw-dropping electric vehicle concepts at CES 2025, the Zero Series Sedan and the Zero Series SUV. These aren't just cool designs. They offer a sneak peek into Honda's bold electric vision. Get ready to dive into the exciting world of tomorrow's EVs, because what you're about to see will blow your mind. The Zero Series Sedan, a futuristic fastback. First up, let's dive deep into the Zero Series Sedan. This isn't your typical sedan. It's a futuristic performance powerhouse designed to stand out from the crowd. Picture this: sleek aerodynamic lines that slice through the air with ease, a low-slung, aggressive stance, and a fastback roofline that doesn't just look cool, but screams performance and speed. It's like a spaceship had a baby with a sports car, and the result is this stunningly unique sedan. Honda isn't just talking about a new car here. They're talking about a revolution in driving experience. The Zero Series Sedan is designed to offer more than just stylish looks. It's about blending technology with comfort and excitement. Honda describes it as a posture control vehicle. That means it's loaded with advanced tech to not only optimize the driving position for maximum comfort, but also engage you with every twist and turn. This vehicle isn't about simply getting you from point A to point B, it's about making every second behind the wheel a thrilling, effortless experience. From the way it handles to the precise control it offers, the Zero Series Sedan is engineered to feel like a seamless extension of you, ensuring every drive is a dynamic yet comfortable adventure. The Zero Series SUV, space-age style. Next, let's shift gears and take a look at the Zero Series SUV. This vehicle is more than just a car, it's an experience. Building on Honda's innovative Space Hub concept from CES 2024, the Zero Series SUV takes the idea of what an SUV can be to a whole new level. Imagine an SUV that's not only spacious and airy, but also provides panoramic views through expansive glass surfaces, thanks to its minimalist design and advanced glazing techniques. But the Zero Series SUV isn't just a visual marvel, it's all about how it makes you feel. The design isn't just about looking good, it's about enhancing your experience on the road. But here's the twist, it's the tech inside these vehicles that truly makes them next level. What if I told you that both the Zero Series Sedan and SUV are packed with features you've only seen in futuristic movies? We're talking about a whole new era of driving, where your car doesn't just get you from point A to point B, it anticipates your every need before you even realize it. Picture a vehicle so intelligent that it feels like a personal assistant on wheels, adjusting settings, controlling systems, and even learning your preferences, all while making your ride safer and more enjoyable. This isn't just about flashy gadgets or cool-looking screens. These cars are designed to think for themselves, helping you navigate the road with ease and giving you more time to enjoy the journey. From self-adjusting seats to voice-activated controls and hands-free driving, the tech packed into these vehicles is set to revolutionize your driving experience. 3. Technology that blows your mind. Let's dive into the incredible technology that makes the Zero Series Sedan and Zero Series SUV feel like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. These concepts are loaded with cutting-edge innovations that will completely redefine your driving experience. High-density batteries. The Zero Series isn't just about looks, it's also about power. The high-density batteries in both the sedan and SUV are designed to maximize driving range while minimizing battery degradation over time. What does that mean for you? Fewer stops at the charging station and more time enjoying the road ahead. Plus, these advanced batteries ensure that the performance you experience today will remain strong for years to come. Talk about future-proofing your ride. Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, ADAS. Both models come equipped with next-level driver assistance features that you typically find in only the most cutting-edge vehicles. Picture this: hands-free driving capabilities, allowing your car to take control of steering, braking, and acceleration under certain conditions. Lane keeping assist keeps you centered on the road, and a posture control system optimizes your driving position for maximum comfort and engagement. The goal is clear: create a safer and more enjoyable driving experience for you, no matter where the road takes you. 2. When can you get your hands on one? You're probably sitting on the edge of your seat right now asking, when can I get my hands on one of these futuristic beauties? Well, we've got some exciting news for you. Here's what we know so far. Zero Series SUV. The good news is that the Zero Series SUV is the first to hit the market. It's slated to arrive at dealerships during the first half of 2026, which honestly isn't too far away. Zero Series Sedan. Right behind the SUV, the Zero Series Sedan is expected to make its debut later in 2026. Honda is making sure there's something for everyone in their electric future. These release dates are more than just a glimpse into the future. They show that Honda is serious about its electric vehicle revolution. The company is charging ahead, quickly bringing these groundbreaking concepts from the drawing board to your driveway. So whether you're drawn to the bold, space-age style of the SUV or the sleek, performance-driven sedan, Honda is working fast to make these next-gen electric vehicles a reality for drivers everywhere. Visual, a clear, easy-to-read timeline graphic showing the expected release dates for both the Zero Series SUV and sedan, with an exciting countdown leading up to their launches. 2. When can you get your hands on one? You're probably sitting on the edge of your seat right now asking, when can I get my hands on one of these futuristic beauties? Well, we've got some exciting news for you. Here's what we know so far. Zero Series SUV. The good news is that the Zero Series SUV is the first to hit the market. It's slated to arrive at dealerships during the first half of 2026, which honestly isn't too far away. Whether you're planning for the future or looking to make a bold move now, this exciting electric SUV will be ready for you soon enough. Zero Series Sedan. Right behind the SUV, the Zero Series Sedan is expected to make its debut later in 2026. If you're more of a sedan person or just prefer a sleek, performance-focused design, this stunning concept will soon be within your reach as well. Honda is making sure there's something for everyone in their electric future. These release dates are more than just a glimpse into the future. They show that Honda is serious about its electric vehicle revolution. The company is charging ahead, quickly bringing these groundbreaking concepts from the drawing board to your driveway. So whether you're drawn to the bold, space-age style of the SUV or the sleek, performance-driven sedan, Honda is working fast to make these next-gen electric vehicles a reality for drivers everywhere. 1. The future of Honda, electric and exciting. So what does all of this mean for the future of Honda? Well, buckle up because the Zero Series Sedan and Zero Series SUV are a major leap forward for the brand. These groundbreaking concepts are more than just a glimpse into Honda's future. They're a bold statement about its commitment to the electric vehicle market. With these concepts, Honda isn't just adapting to the shift toward electrification, it's leading the charge. This shift is about more than just stylish vehicles. It's a complete reimagining of what the driving experience can be. The Zero Series isn't only about futuristic looks, it's a reflection of Honda's bold vision for a sustainable and exhilarating driving future. By incorporating advanced technologies, enhanced performance, and a commitment to sustainability, Honda is creating vehicles that are as exciting to drive as they are environmentally responsible. The Zero Series promises to combine everything drivers crave: efficiency, comfort, and performance. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about enjoying every second of the journey. With electrification at its core, next-gen technology under the hood, and designs that exude the spirit of the future, Honda is all in on redefining what it means to drive into tomorrow. These concepts are just the beginning. They set the stage for what's sure to be an electrified era of driving that's as fun as it is forward-thinking. Whether you're in it for the sleek styling, the cutting-edge tech, or the sustainable features, the Zero Series shows that Honda is ready to make big moves in the world of electric vehicles. So, what do you think about the Zero Series Sedan and SUV? Are you as excited about Honda's electric future as we are? Share your thoughts and predictions in the comments below. Do you see yourself behind the wheel of one of these futuristic EVs? Do let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video if you're pumped for the future of electric vehicles, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for all the latest car news and updates. In conclusion, Honda's Zero Series Sedan and SUV concepts have certainly shaken things up in the automotive world. These vehicles are not only a glimpse into the future, They represent a bold new step for Honda in the electric vehicle space. With their innovative designs, cutting-edge technology, and forward-thinking approach to sustainability, the Zero Series is set to change the way we think about driving.